Hi students, welcome back to a new video session. In this video session, we will be discussing questions on floor arrangement, which is important for bank PO and clerical prelims. And floor arrangement comes under puzzles, is a subtopic of puzzles. And in the examination, you can expect 10 to 15 questions, 15 to 25 questions from the topic of puzzles. Students, do subscribe to the YouTube channel and do like the video. So let's look at the question. So let's read it. We are given that 6 persons B, C, D, E, F and G live in a building of 3 floors and each floor has 2 flats, flat 1 and flat 2. On any floor, flat 1 is to the west of flat 2. So let's draw a table. As you know, there are 3 flats. Since there are 3 floors, and floor 1 is to the west of flat 1 is to the west of flat 2. Flat 1 is to the west of flat 2. 3 floors. Okay. The ground floor of the building is considered as floor 1 and the floor immediately above the ground floor is considered as floor 2 and so on. So since this is the ground floor, this is flat floor 1, floor 2 and floor 3. And the next, each flat is built in such a way that flat 1 of floor 2 is immediately above the flat 1 of floor 1. So flat 1 of floor 2 which is immediately above the flat 1 of floor 1, which is true. The next, flat 2 of floor 2, flat 2 of floor 2 is immediately above the flat 2 of floor 1. Flat 2 of floor 2 is immediately above the flat 2 of floor 1, which is also true. So this satisfies the condition. And further, each person likes a different fruit among pineapple. So let's write it down. Let's write pineapple as PA. Next, watermelon, then kiwi, okay. Next, grapes, and then banana and avocado. So we got the 6 fruits and not necessarily in the same order. So let's further draw two more lines. Here the first column, the person and his favorite fruit, person and favorite fruit. So now let's look at the clues. This is in the next slide. We are given that the one who likes banana lives in an even numbered flat and lives immediately below the floor on which G lives. So since we have only 2 flats, flat 1 and flat 2, so the person who likes banana must live in flat 2 and G lives immediately above the person who likes banana. So here we get 2 cases. G lives on the 3rd floor and G lives on the 2nd floor, and the person who likes banana lives on floor 2 in case 1. So let me draw another case. We draw same table. Okay. 2, 3 floors. This is floor 1, floor 2, floor 3. Further divide it into 2 columns. Flat 1, flat 2, again person, fruit person and fruit. So in case 1, let's consider G lives on floor 3. We don't know in which flat G lives, and the person who likes banana lives in flat 2. Okay. In the second case, G lives on 3rd floor, and the person who likes banana live on floor 3. We got banana. Okay, these are the 2 cases. The next clue, D likes watermelon and lives below the floor on which G lives. We know that the person who likes banana lives immediately below the floor on which G lives. So now, since the person who likes banana lives in flat 2, D must live in flat 1. In case 1, D lives on floor 1. D lives in flat 1 and likes watermelon. And in case 2, D lives on floor 2 and likes watermelon. So you got watermelon as well. So next, let's use the next clue. The one who likes pineapple lives immediately above the flat in which D lives. We know that D lives in flat 1 in both the cases. So in case 1, the person who likes pineapple lives on floor 2 and in flat 1. In case 2, the person who likes pineapple lives on floor 3 and in flat 1. Further, the one who likes pineapple does not live on the 3rd floor, which means that case 2 is eliminated as the person who likes pineapple lives on floor 3. This case is eliminated. So the only case 1 is left. Okay, the next clue, neither G nor F likes pineapple. So we know that G and the person who likes pineapple live on the same floor, and G does not like pineapple. So G lives in flat 2 and on floor 2. So we have used this clue as well. So let's use the next clue. E likes kiwi. So looking at the table, since E likes kiwi, E has to live on floor 3 and could be either in flat 1 or flat 2. Further, E and G live neither on the same floor nor in the same numbered flat. Since G lives in flat 2, E has to live in flat 1 of floor 3, and E likes kiwi. We got pineapple, we got kiwi. And the next clue, F and E live in different number flats. We know that E lives in flat 1, so F has to live in flat 2, either on floor 3 or on floor 1. Either on floor 3 or floor 1. Let's use the next clue. The one who likes avocado lives immediately above the flat in which B lives. So B cannot live on floor 2 as G lives on floor 2. So B has to live in floor 1. B has to live on floor 1 and in flat 2. And G likes avocado. We know that F lives either on floor 3 and floor 1. Since F lives in flat 2. So F lives in flat 2 on floor 3 and the left out fruit, which is grapes. So F likes grape. We got the final table. So let's use the table to answer the questions. So let's move to the questions. Which of the following statement is false? Let's look at the first statement. B lives on floor 1. B does live on floor 1, which is not the right option. F lives in flat 2 on floor 3, which is true. F lives in flat 2 and on floor 3, which is also not the right option. The third statement, C lives to the east of the flat in which G lives. Here the left out C lives. C lives on flat 1 on floor 2, sorry, and C lives to the east of the flat in which G lives. Here we can see C lives to the west of the flat in which G lives, hence this is the right option. Moving on to the next question. Second, who likes pineapple? You know that C likes pineapple. This is option 2. The next question, on which floor and in which flat does the person who likes grapes live? We know that F likes grape and F lives in flat 2 and on floor 3. So floor 3 and flat 2, which is option 5. So this is the right option. Moving on to the next question, fourth question, who among the following lives below the floor on which C lives? C lives on floor 2 and immediately below the floor on which C lives is either D or B. D and B both live immediately below the floor on which C lives. So which is in the option 5. So the correct option for the fourth question is 5. So we are done with the set. If you have any doubts, you can join our Telegram channel, and you can do subscribe us to the YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. All the links for the social media handle will be given in the description box. And for classroom coaching, do contact your nearest T.I.M.E center, and for online courses, you can enroll to the given website, which is given in the description box as well. Thank you, students. I hope you all do well in the examination.